All right, so this is Joanne, and we are doing a spiral kind of perm. So I'm just going to show you the things that she showed me that she likes. These are all the kind of hair that she's liking. And a lot of them are curl iron. Now look, that's definitely a curl, gel. We already had a curl with a curl iron too. That's a more looser one, right? So we're gonna do. That's beautiful. It's a little longer layers. Beautiful. Some of them are curl iron. Some of them are their own curls, and then they curl with a curl iron. There we go. There we go. That's it. So this is what we're doing. Normally we do a mohawk, and this time we just went on the bottom, one whole bottom, did them all forward, all forward. This whole half, and then the other side I did that way. Then here, all forward, all forward. Same thing here, forward, forward. And the same thing with this whole side. So stay tuned. Woohoo! Look at those curls! So gorgeous. It's gonna be so pretty, these ringlets.
Kim, this is the beach ball.
I know. Well, honey, she wanted a spiral.
I'm lazy. I'm very lazy.
All right, so I'll tell you what, I'd rather have the God of the universe on my side. And yes, if you don't believe in Jesus, you don't have to, but I'll tell you what, it's better to have a God and someone on your side 24/7 that's always for you and never against you than having nothing for you and no one with you, right? It's always better to use your imagination and to believe and trust that there's something greater than ourselves that loves us, that cares about us. Just like when we have children, we love and care about those children. And we want to support and we value them and we want to help them grow into incredible, wonderful, amazing people. Well, so does God. He does it for you too. Have a great day. This is Coach Kimmy. Believe. You have nothing to lose to believe.